The code, the line of code that you're reading is the line of code that's executing, right? There's also background programs inside of robots and stuff now, and you know, you might have to take those into consideration, and you might be running some code in a background logic, but for the most part, robot code is very linear. So let's take a step back on choosing exactly what it is you want to do, and I'll explain to you a little bit more of what would be good for you to know as a total overview. So one thing that is very important is having a very good understanding of systems. And when I say systems, I mean a system as a whole. Being able to think about a system as a whole. Being able to think about, you know, this is more than just a robot. Just knowing that this HMI is talking to that PLC that's talking to that robot. This robot is picking up this part, placing it on this thing, and then doing this other thing with it, or picking it up here, doing something with it, and then placing it there, right? And I'm speaking in very general terms, right? But you have to be able to understand these very simplistic things on how systems work, and to be able to move on to the next phases of your career. And it's just gonna be the highest leverage thing that you can learn, and be able to apply all different types of skills or learn all different types of things. Because after you start to understand the systems and kind of like the process flow of how things are manufactured and how things go through different processes, you'll start to learn more detailed things like degrees of freedom, like nesting, and I'll just go into a couple examples of that.